want to bring to your notice that we have got a program for tomorrow. And last time I had said tomorrow is a private members' day. Because, sir, you have put official business. Now, I had been raising this private members' bills for the last 2 years. I have raised it, this time also I have tabled. Why the private members' business is not here, Speaker, sir? For the last 3-4 sessions, I have been moving this private members' bills. Today, in fact, there was so much of debate on the Goa land, agricultural land. We want to reserve this land for Goans. So this is the bill. Now, last 3-4 assembly sessions, I am raising it. And Speaker, sir, it is a big insult for us. Tomorrow is a private members' day. Last 3 years it is not coming. I want these bills to come tomorrow. There's one Goa unemployment assistance and self-employment bill. Today everybody spoke about unemployment. Let us debate and discuss this. It is my right as a private member to get this bill, Speaker, sir. And you are supposed to protect our interests of the honorable members of this house.
Still 2 Fridays to go. No problem.
Sorry?
Still 2 Fridays are there. Still.
Speaker, sir, 3 वर्षं गेली. तुम्ही
Yeah, I don't
नाहले.
know. All right.
Chief Minister Tingahle, what is the reason private members' bills? Now, one bill is Goa Agricultural Land Conservation Bill. It's a very important bill, Speaker, sir. We had been fighting for special category status. We are not getting. But this bill can help us to achieve private special category status. The other bill is on unemployment. I want to discuss it.
Still time is there. Just wait.
See, India is gone 45 years behind as far as employment is concerned. So, and tomorrow you have kept the official business. Please change this because it is an injustice to the members when you are putting official business on a private members' day. Last time I had a walkout. So don't ask us to walk out tomorrow.
Honourable member, this has not happened for the first time regarding the business after the private members' resolution. Got it? No, even the previous assembly, the same thing had happened. It's not the
Somebody
first
was
time.
doing something wrongly earlier. That doesn't mean it is a justification to continue this wrong again and again.
So now already the BSc has passed this all this business. So I will take care the next assembly. There will be no business
This
after private
house
members'
is
resolution.
supreme.
I will not take.
You are the protector of the members of this
Yeah,
house.
I will not take. I promise. Honourable member of the leader of opposition.